Hi everyone. I have a collection of LEDs here, and two of them, they are 5630. Is this one and this one. This one is waterproof, and it is a 5-meter strip. And if you look, as some of you may know, I am very fond of LEDs, and I wanted to upgrade my desk lamp, Lee 8 watts desk lamp, as I told you before, which operated via this strip. And this is 54 LEDs, and the measurements are 3 by 1.5. It means is 30 by 15, and it's not bad. It's very bright and good, but it's only 54. And this one is just not enough. As you see, the spacing are too far apart for my purpose, because let me just turn this off for a moment and I show you what I mean. As you see, we don't have much space here, and I already have changed this. And if you want to see the brightness, I just turn it on, and it's very bright at the moment. And we put this back and turn this back on, and as you see, it's giving me an ample amount of light here for the purpose of my videos. So I changed this strip, which this strip was not shining directly. It was going through this diffuser like so, and it's soft to the eyes because of especially this. If you want to look at it, yes, it is, but when you want to look at it like so, it means not shining to your eyes, is good enough. So this one was 5 meter of it was £6.99 from China, and here I think is more or less the same. And I bought this one, which I just show you that. I just show you how bright that one is. And it came as a strip, 50 centimeter strip of LED like so, and each of them has something like 84 LEDs, 5630 LEDs. So they are very bright, and they are condensed with LEDs, and you can cut them, as you may see here that I've already cut it. Let me just take this away. I already cut them to size. So in my Lee LED that is shining here, my Lee desk lamp, there are 3 of these now, and each of them has 42. So 342 is 126 LEDs. They are just in my desk lamp, and it shines bright and is really good. I'm more or less for the time being happy with that. I mean, more happier than this, because as you see, they are really tiny, but they are absolutely bright. If I want to show it to you, you know, it's going to blind you because it's really small. Let me see, everything is safe here. And now I just demonstrated to you how bright this one is. And this is, as you see, wow, it's really bright. I turn this off. It's really bright, but I wanted more light, and this is cool white and this is just white. So I have changed the LEDs in here, and I just wanted to share with you this strip of LED, which is, it comes in 50 centimeters and 30 centimeters. So in each 50 centimeters, as I mentioned, it has 84 LEDs, 56 30 LEDs, and it's really good. It's hard aluminium mounted LED strip, and it came very fast. I ordered it from China, and the price for 5 of them was about £8, and I expected them to arrive in 12th of April to I think 15th of April, and they just arrived today, which is 29th, and I'm not sure if it's 29th. Let me just check. Yes, it is. So it was really quick. I mean, a week it took to arrive here. So I definitely recommend these, and because of the speed of delivery. And I mounted 3 of them in this, and as you see, it's really bright. I'm really happy. I just mounted it in here, 3 of them, 1 in the center, 2 on the side, and you can do this with yours as well. And since the item is using the aluminium casing as a radiator, as a heat sink, so it's getting a little bit warm, more than a little bit warm, but is running well. And if anything happen, I tell you what is going on in the future. But at the moment, I just wanted to show you this LEDs, set of LEDs that I have, and you know, I used this in there, and the brightness wasn't good enough because of the number of LEDs per 10 centimeters, and this one is really good. So I recommend that to all of you guys. And if anyone wants to know where I bought it, just drop me a comment. I tell you all about it. So until my next video, take care of yourself and each other.